Hi guys, welcome to Toy Parade. We have a cool video planned for you today. We have a bowl full of bone candy with a whole bunch of Paw Patrol guys in it. We're going to dig them out and then they're going to go to a party on a yacht. It's a Minnie Mouse Yacht Party. And our assistant Brooklyn's here today and she's going to help us with this treasure hunt.
Hi.
Alright Brooklyn, why don't you go on in and see what you can find in that bowl of candy bones. Yay,
Rocky.
Who's that? Alright, put Rocky on the yacht. We have a total of 8. So there's 1.
Here's Rubble.
2. Awesome.
And here's Marshall.
3. Very cool.
Here's Sky.
4. Oh, she's going to captain it? She's a great person to captain.
Itty bitty kitty.
Uh-oh, do cats like slides? I think we should put her down the slide. Let's see what happens. Whoa! She's in the pool with Marshall! Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be 3 more surprises.
Chicoletta.
Alright, let's put Chicoletta on the boat. Nice.
Zuma.
Zuma, my favorite. The lab that loves water.
1 more.
Alright, what do we have?
Nope. Chase.
Yay, Chase! Cool, this is gonna be a fun party. Show me all the people on this boat. Who do we have?
Okay. Rocky, Rubble, Marshall, Itty Bitty Kitty, Zuma, Sky, Chicoletta, and Chase. There's Chase.
There goes Chase. Next.
Marshall.
All right, Marshall.
Ah! Itty Bitty
Uh-oh. Whoa! There goes Marshall.
No.
Whoa!
Here goes Sky. Everybody's falling.
Woo! There goes Sky. And there goes, woo! There goes Zuma. There goes Rubble.
There goes Rocky.
Chicoletta.
Itty Bitty Kitty.
Alright guys. And for the best part of the party, you ready? Wow! Silly string! Silly string! Oh, they are all covered. That was a crazy party. How does it feel? Oh, it's so icky and sticky. Do they like it? What do you think, Brooklyn? Do they like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun,
Can I
right?
spray it now?
Yeah, you spray it now.
Right on over here.
Woo! Ah! All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us at Toy Parade today. I hope you like our Paw Patrol Candy Bone Treasure Hunt Yacht Party with Silly String. Hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.